Like these days, I feel like I'm getting some lines on my forehead. So the when I apply this to my skin, I feel like it helps to diminish those lines. At the end of the day, all I want is just beautiful, glowing skin. That's it. Just beautiful, glowing skin. You know what I actually miss about Jamaica is that the soil is so fertile that you could literally throw anything, just throw it in your backyard and things just start to grow. So I am actually struggling with that here in the state, this side of the US. I'm in the south. Oh my God, I don't know what it is. It's like nothing wants to grow in my backyard, and I think it's because maybe they have I think the top layer of the ground is like sand or something like that, but it's hard for anything to grow. So I've been trying to grow tomatoes and cucumbers, and every year it struggles. So this time I went out and I bought me a pot one. I bought some tomatoes from the store, a planter here from the store, and the leaves are not looking so good right now. I had it over on that side of the fence and I saw that the leaves were like shrinking, so I had to move it and put it next to my house because I need to get some fruits from this, some vegetable from this thing. Fruits or vegetable? Is it fruit or is it vegetable? Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable? They say if it has seeds, it's a fruit. So, all right, anyhow. But I need some tomatoes. I need some tomatoes to grow from this thing, okay? So my money doesn't go to waste. And I decided too that I had some scallion in the refrigerator. And you know how when you buy the scallions from the store, it comes with the roots at the bottom? So I just kind of popped off the top, and now I'm just gonna stick it into the soil right here, so, and see if this thing will grow. Hey, now I have some garlic. I also bought garlic and the thing started to grow in the refrigerator. So you know what? Let me put it into a pot. So I am going to do some work in this pot right here. Let me get to work. This thing is so dry. Oh gosh, I'm gonna just put a whole bunch of water. Oh jeez. Let me get some water. What is? I was just like, like digging up stirring up the soil, and then there is, I don't know what that stuff is. You wanna look? See it there? It's nothing moving. I just don't know what it is. I'm not expecting this to be in the soil, and I just stir it up. What's that?
Is that a live stuff.
It doesn't look like it's alive, but I don't know what it is. That's why I brought the shovel. I I don't know if I just chopped something in half. Oh Lord. I don't know what it is.
What are you talking about? This?
No, you don't, you see? This right here, this, what that? You not see it?
Move it with the shovel. I say.
I'm afraid. Afraid.
What do you mean, Fred? Is that soil?
This?
Yeah.
What is that? Lord have mercy.
Is that a moving object?
It's something, it feels like a moving object. I don't know what it is.
What are you doing?
I was just trying to plant some garlic.
Oh, this is the pine tree
Is it
stuff.
the pine cone?
Yeah, that's the pine leaf. The pine tree stuff.
Oh, take it out then. So it's all my imagination.
Yeah.
No, okay, let me just show it in the back. Thank you.
Yeah.
I was just a little, I wasn't sure what that thing is. And why would the pine cone be in there? Yeah, I'm coming in. Okay. When it comes to my husband and him tools them, everything must be clean. So, see this little bit of dirt right here, so? Let me just make sure I wash it off or put it back. You know, because he likes, I mean, it's respect. I have to respect him, right? So, him not like nothing dirty. So let me just go ahead, wash it off and put it back. It's another day, and they would say another dollar, but before I focus on that dollar, I already made sure I got up and I said my prayer and I give thanks for another day. All right, so now let me get started on my day, and I'm going to start off with some natural skincare. I have a natural facial scrub that I use on my face so that my face glows. Let me get that going. Yeah, so this is my facial scrub. It's all natural. All it is just some cucumbers that I blend up together and I apply it on my face. I love how my skin feels afterwards when I apply cucumber on my skin. I love how it makes my skin feels and look. Not only how it feels, but how it looks. It looks very smooth, you know. And it helps with wrinkles. Like these days, I feel like I'm getting some lines on my forehead. So the when I apply this to my skin, I feel like it helps to diminish those lines. At the end of the day, all I want is just beautiful, glowing skin. That's it. Just beautiful, glowing skin. So at this point, I'm just like rubbing it in to my skin. That's it. Just rub it in. Suppose I could also let it sit on my skin for a little bit. I would give it maybe 5 minutes and wash it off. But what I like to do is I like to rub it into my skin. Ooh, those lines. I realize people think I am younger than I am. I'm 46. I am 46. But some people think I'm in my 30s. But I think it's because I may have a youthful face or something, or I don't know, but maybe it's because of my self-care routine why people think I am younger. But anyhow, I give credit to this DIY natural facial scrub. All right, this is it. I'm going to wash it off and apply some lotion. I'm going to wash it off and move on to the next step. Very simple step, by the way. Skin feels so nice, so smooth. Feels really good. Now I'm going to apply some makeup. Not makeup, Lord, I don't wear makeup. What am I talking about? I'm going to apply lotion. Makeup, I don't know how to do. So I'm keeping it fabulous and natural. Keeping it fabulous and natural because this sister over here does not know how to apply makeup. So if I do, it's just very minimal. Whenever I do, I might put on some foundation, which I don't like to wear because whenever I do, my skin breaks out, which I don't travel with. I don't have that problem usually, but I just notice whenever I apply foundation on my face, bumps pops up, and I don't like that, so I just don't bother with the whole foundation. So this is how I make up my face, really. I love to keep it simple. Just some lotion, cocoa butter lotion, that's it. And it has a little bit of oil in it, so my skin is not dried out. I really does love what the cucumber does. Can't pronounce the word this morning. I just really love what the cucumber does to my skin. It really makes my skin, it feels very fresh, it feels smooth, it feels tight, it feels good. This is it for me. Alright, so this is my routine when it comes to taking care of my face here. You know, since I am not a makeup girl, I have to do something, you know, which is to treat my skin the most natural way possible. So this is it for me, living my life as fabulous as I possibly can, one day at a time. And I hope you're doing the same. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.